Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust date and time on ACER Aspire free. To do it, go to Settings. In Settings, go to Time and Language, then go to Date and Time. And now you can enable or disable Set Time Zone automatically. If it's enabled, then it will set the time zone based on your location. I'm gonna disable that, and now I can change it myself. Just like that. You can also enable or disable Adjust for Daylight Saving Time automatically, depending on your preference. Or you can also enable or disable Set the Time automatically. When that's disabled, then you can click on Change. And when you click on Change, you can change the month, the day, the year, and the hour. So just click on any of those and adjust it. Just like that. Then approve. You can do the same with hour, then click on change and it will be applied. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.